guys, it worked. Oh my God. Hello guys, welcome to D's World. Today you guys, for our facial video, I am doing a peel off egg mask. You heard it right, a peel off egg mask. Let's get started. Okay, you guys, so I have done an egg facial before. You guys remember a video I did right here. It was an egg facial where I cracked open the egg, mixed it in a bowl, and put it on my face, right? I did that years ago. But this particular mask, this particular facial is different because it's a peel off mask. So it's different. I've been seeing this all over YouTube, you guys. I've been seeing people literally crack open the egg, put it on their face, and then they get tissue and put it on their face and peel it off. And guess what, you guys? It works. They said that it helps with like if you have pimples, if you have blackheads, it literally, if you have pimples or blackheads, it literally will pull it off of the skin for you. And I have a little, y'all can see right there. I got a little pimple here, okay, and here. So I'm gonna see if this is gonna work, okay? So you guys are gonna do it with me. Feel free to do it with me while you're at home right now, or you can try it again later, you know, just by yourself. But I really wanna see if this is gonna work. So let me grab my egg. I haven't worn this robe in a long time. I love the arms on this robe. Okay. All right, so, all right guys, so I have my egg. Look at this, guys. I have my egg. And so, I'm gonna use the whole thing. Now with my last egg facial, I use the entire thing, okay? So I'm gonna open this bad boy up. I'm gonna put it in my bowl and I'm gonna put it all over my face. All right, so you guys, I put it in this pretty pink bowl here. And as you can see, I have to push my hair back too, but I'm gonna mix the yolk and the whites with it, okay? The egg white and the yolk, because I think, to me, if we're trying to stick tissue on there, you have to think about when you cook, you guys. Like when you're trying to hold ingredients together when you're cooking and use the egg, use the whole thing. You don't use the egg whites. Now, sometimes for people who are just like vegan and don't want to eat the whole thing, but this is not going on your mouth, so use it as glue, okay? It's going on your face, so let's get started. Can y'all see me? Because I can see you. Great. Okay, guys, so we are about to put my hair in a little bun here. So we're about to, I want you guys up close and personal with me. So we're about to put this egg on the face and then we're gonna put tissue. All right, let's get started. Okay guys, here's the egg. So I'm gonna rub it on my face. And guys, you know, egg is really good for the skin. Go back and look at my video that I did. I went over everything and how egg is so great for the skin, okay? It really is. Look at all that, y'all. Woo. So I'm just gonna, I don't want to get on my mouth. I never tried raw egg before and I don't think I want to. I'm using this just as glue, okay? Just as glue. Like, you think of it like Elmer's glue, right? For your peel off mask. So I want to see if this is going to pull up anything on my face. You guys know I do honest reviews. Okay. So we're going to put the tissue on. If I'm doing it wrong, I will say I did it wrong too. But I have my tissue. Okay. Here's my tissue. And I'm not gonna double roll because I want it to thinly go on. Oh my God, guys, look at this. Oh my God. Look at this, y'all. It's going on just like a mask would. You see there? Look at that. I'm making my own mask. That is pretty cool. Pretty cool. All right, so I'm gonna, I'm gonna lay a piece on my forehead. See what happens. Now, I don't want to be rough because I don't want it to tear. Okay. I don't want it to tear on my face. I'm gonna do another little piece here. And I mean, it don't have to look perfect, you guys, because I look pretty crazy right now. I look crazy. Look at, y'all, look at this. I look crazy right now. Let's fix this better. Y'all, I look crazy. I look crazy right now. Let's tear out the excess at the top. We're gonna make this work, y'all. Okay, so I'm gonna put some more because you know, guys, this have to get hard. I'm gonna put some more up here, more down there. Okay. All right, so what? Okay, you guys, this is the final look. Okay, I did the best I could. Please don't judge me, okay? The nose area here is like filled with tons of tissue and yolk, and I'm so sorry, y'all, seriously. Now, guys, this has to sit on your face, I would say, for about 5 to 10 minutes. If you feel it getting hard, it's time to come off, okay? You don't want to underdo it where it's too wet, and you don't want to overdo it when it's super hard, and you're gonna need assistance getting this thing off, okay? So it's a DIY mask, you guys. I tried my best. Please be nice in the comments, okay? But I am about to let this sit on my face, and I will see you guys in a minute. Guys, it is time to peel my DIY egg face mask off my face, okay? Now, some people say you come from your chin, but y'all know today I'm going this way because I like to peel. It just depends on the mask, in my opinion. Look, guys, it's coming off. Oh my God. Guys, it worked. Oh my God. Look at this. This is a DIY peel off egg face mask, you guys. I did it. Oh my God. Egg is so beneficial to the skin. All right, so now we're gonna see if it took anything out of my, did it pull anything from the pimples or anything? And this is it here. I don't see anything being really pulled. This, my pimple here is still really there. I mean, I don't see anything being pulled out, but I can tell you this though, my skin is very soft, but this is it. Nothing really came out. But you guys, it feels like a real, this is cool. This is really cool. And I can say this too. It doesn't smell like egg. I don't know how that happened, but I don't smell egg on myself. on my skin. I don't smell it. Okay guys, I'm taking the last little bit off. With some over here. That's kind of like, that didn't get as much, but it's kind of on my eyes. Uh-oh. I almost forgot here. All right, there go another peel. Okay. Oh my God, y'all. Okay. Okay, you guys, so I have a lot of egg residue on my face, so I'm about to go wash that off. But this is it, y'all. Look, all this came off of that egg peel off. All of it came off. Look at this. Wow. Okay, so it worked. Listen to this. Listen. It's hard. Like, it got hard. So let me go and wash all this off my face and I'll be right back. Okay guys, it did a great job. Now what I can say is that my face is really soft. It peeled off like a regular mask, like a regular peel off mask would do. But it did not take out the pimple. I still have the pimple right there. So as far as like snatching pimples out of the skin, to be honest, a lot of those masks, some of them do. Now that charcoal peel off thing, oh my God. But I can say the egg, I think if you leave it on a little longer, you maybe put more on top of the tissue and really like, maybe you go outside for a little bit, maybe walk to the mailbox or do whatever you got to do outside, read you a book, come back in, and you might have a harder peel. Or if you just want to chill in your bed or get in the bathtub or whatever. But and mine was hard. You heard the sound, but it did not take that pimple out. So I'll have to take that pimple out myself. So you guys, I hope you really enjoyed my video. I would love for you guys to try this yourself. It is really easy. You literally just go back through this video, follow all those steps. Your mask is not going to come out looking super perfect, okay? It is a DIY mask, guys, so don't like, oh my God, I did it wrong, let me start over. Don't start over, just keep doing it. And you saw the pull and you saw the peel, and it'll work out. So, and it's gonna work out. So don't say to yourself, oh my God, I need to redo this over. I need to do this over. Just keep it going. It's a DIY mask. It's supposed to be fun, but at the same time, it's natural ingredients. You know what you're putting on your face. Okay, you guys? So thanks again for coming to D's World. And now we'll see you guys for another video. Bye.